Thank you, everybody. Good evening. My name is Keith Bradshaw. I'm a director of a company called Speirs Major. We are architectural lighting designers. That's therefore the kind of the link for us with the architecture and the built environment. We talk a lot about reflectivity, qualities of material, how that absorbs light, and how different surfaces kind of contrast together. Artificial light allows you to recompose places. It allows you to change emphasis. It allows you to make certain places more dramatic or more important or less important than others.
If you think about it, there are obviously all sorts of signs around us, and there's like a lot of them giving us information. But you can, I think, categorize them to certain groups. They're for identity, they're for safety, they're for security, they're for wayfinding, and sometimes simply for placemaking.
People make space secure, not lights. The more popular, the more interesting a space is, the more people go there. The more people that go there, the increased sense of space. We have a history of lighting kind of industrial heritage, if you like. Knackered old factories is another way of putting it, but industrial heritage. This is in a place called Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, and this steelworks was where all the great steel girders were made which built Manhattan. So in terms of an architectural device, it's lit very nicely, it's very elegant and all those things. But the bit of fun that we had was to find a way to make people engage with this space at night and make them want to hang out there. And again, these things here, which looks like real kind of bling, intense kind of coloured lights, is much more simple than that. It's actually painted surface with white light. Going back to this idea of darkness, you know, this is a project about silhouette, actually. You need light to make silhouette.
It's actually quite interesting how a project for the same client turns out totally different because of the context. It's kind of recycled umbrellas that's from behind. Put on the famous channel for sculpture and make amazing visual. And we're like, but why don't we, on top of that, use the light to help you express that brand? But you can add an element of branding to it. You can aid wayfinding through lighting. You can add signage. And you can add light to the furniture. And the overall image you get compared to what you would get with basic lighting is much different experience.
So in a sense, what we're doing is lighting the surface, the architectural surface of the building from these blades which sit proud of the facade. I hope that kind of made sense. It was a bit of a romp through projects and kind of themes, as it were. But I hope there's enough kind of common language in what we've been talking about this evening. Okay? Thank you.